Pastrami Burger. The Pastrami Burger. Not a burger you will find in many places. This one belongs to Utah, to the lit drive-thrus of the Salt Lake Valley, where a seared beef patty is crowned with warm, smoky pastrami, a quiet local legend. Tonight, we build it slowly, the way the flat-top griddles have built it for nearly 50 years. It began with Greek hands, immigrants who crossed an ocean and a continent and found in the high desert of Utah a place to light their griddles. They took the plain American hamburger and laid something of the old world across the top of it. Cured beef, melted cheese, a soft toasted bun. What they made became, in time, a thing the whole state would claim as its own. Servings, 6. 10 minutes to gather, 10 to cook. Now, the gathering. 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 3/4 pound of pastrami, 6 slices of Swiss cheese, 6 soft hamburger buns, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We begin the way Utah always begins, with the sauce. Into a small bowl, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, then 1/4 cup of ketchup. Whisk them together, slowly, until the two become one soft, pale coral. This is fry sauce. Keep the mayonnaise to the ketchup at 2-to-1, always. That single ratio is the whole secret. Now the beef. Divide 1.5 pounds into 6 equal portions. Season them evenly. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Then press each one thin and wide. Wider than the bun it will meet. On the hot griddle, those edges will lace and crisp. Set them aside and let the surface come to heat. Brush the griddle with a single tablespoon of vegetable oil. Medium-high heat. Lay the buns cut side down. 2 minutes until they turn a light, warm gold. Then lift them away. Now raise the heat to high. Lay the patties down. Listen. That first contact is the sound the whole drive-thru is built on. 3 minutes on the first side. Do not move them. Let the crust form. Then, the flip. The moment the patty turns, lay the pastrami over it. 3/4 pound divided across the 6. Warm, thin ribbons of cured beef settling down onto the sear. The steam rises up through them and carries the smoke into the meat below. Everything slows here. Let it steam. Over the pastrami, the cheese. 1 slice of Swiss on each. Then, briefly, cover the griddle. 1 minute. Beneath the lid, the render fat rises, the steam gathers, and the cheese softens, then slumps, then falls. over the pastrami, over the beef, into every edge. Lift the lid. Onto the toasted bun, a spoonful of fry sauce spread to the rim. Then the patty, crowned and melted. Close it gently with the top of the bun. Press just once. The sauce eases toward the edge. The cheese meets the pastrami, and the burger is whole. Where does such a burger begin? Not in Utah at all, but in a small burger stand in Anaheim, California. There, a Greek immigrant named James Katsanevas, first laid pastrami across a hamburger. He had learned the cured beef, it is said, from a Los Angeles man of Turkish descent. Two traditions meeting over one griddle. The Greeks had come to Utah long before, from the 1890s onward. They crossed for the mines and the railroads, settling in the smoke of the smelter towns. And in the 1970s, more families followed west, from Los Angeles, from Chicago, carrying the burger stand with them. They did not only cook here, they put down roots. In 1978, in a converted downtown hot dog stand, John and Rula Katsarakis, immigrants from the island of Crete, opened a place they called Crown Burgers. And there, beside the gyros and the souvlaki, the Pastrami Burger, it became one of the most beloved things Utah has ever eaten. And then there is the sauce, fry sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup. Born in Salt Lake City around 1948, when a restaurant man named Don Carlos Edwards dipped a fry into his own pink blend and never looked back. A Greek burger, a Turkish cure, a Utah sauce, all of it folded into a single bun. One last press, and the pastrami burger is ready. The fry sauce beads at the edge. The Swiss holds the smoke and the sear together. Lift it in both hands. This is not a dish that traveled from far away and stayed a stranger. It was assembled right here, from everyone who arrived here, and it became Utah's own. A burger the whole valley claims, glowing under the drive-through lights, night after night. And the table, at last, is set.